Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, I am Za and this is Za Canada. Well, today we have a very intriguing news topic ngayon. At merong isang tao dito sa Canada who was found guilty for immigration fraud. Pero instead na makulong is nakalaya siya. At ngayon, siya pa mismo ang nagsusu or humahabla sa Canada. If you think this is impossible, but this case just happened in Saskatchewan. So kung ano yan at kung bakit nangyari yan, panoorin hanggang dulo. Okay, thank you so much for staying in this video and subscribing into my channel too. At kung hindi pa, mag-subscribe na kayo. In my channel, I talk about Canada immigration, latest updates, and life updates of Filipinos here in Canada. So yun. So there was this guy named Gurpreet Singh who was investigated for immigration fraud. So basically, nagbibigay siya ng mga fake job offers. Gumagawa siya ng mga fake employment letters para tulungan ang mga foreign nationals makapasok at makapag-stay sa Canada legally. Okay? And during trial, the judge said guilty siya. So basically, guilty siya sa pagbibigay ng mga job offers na fake. Guilty siya beyond reasonable doubt. So normally, tapos na yan, di ba? Kapag ang tao isang guilty, ibig sabihin, convicted, may sentence, it's either fine, or kulong, or deport, pero he walked free. Bakit? So bakit nagkaroon? Bakit he walked free? Bakit bigla siyang walang sentence bigla? Kasi daw, nagka-problem. Hindi sa evidence, pero how the case was handled. Bakit, kung paano daw hinandle yung mismong investigation. So according to the court, may issues daw sa Canada Border Services Agency or sa CBSA. Example, may mga evidence daw na hindi na-disclose properly. Ibig sabihin, may mga evidence daw na hindi nailabas siguro sa trial. And yung lead investigator mismo, siya pa mismo ang nag-investigate para sa sarili niya. And which is a big no in law. Okay? So what did the judge say? This damaged the fairness of the trial at hindi na clean ang process. Okay? And because of that, the court did something very rare. Meaning, yung case na-stop siya permanently. There was no sentence. Hindi binigyan ng sentence si kuya. And there is no criminal record. Kahit pa, guilty siya. Now, here's the part that shocked everyone. Because the judge didn't just say that there was a mistake. The judge said it's a systemic collapse. Systemic collapse. Meaning, hindi lang ito isang error, hindi lang isang officer, something deeper is wrong in the system itself. Okay? Because CBSA is the agency responsible for border security, immigration enforcement, and deportations. So if may ganitong issue, it raises questions like, are investigation being done properly? Proper ba yung investigation na ginawa sa kanya? Are rights being respected? Normally, di ba may mga Miranda law yan? So, nabigyan ba siya ng tamang proceedings? Or may shortcuts? So, bigla ba siyang nagkaroon lang talaga ng sentence without going through fair trial? Siguro ganyan yung nangyari dyan. And that's why this case is big news. Okay? And yun nga, si Canada na ngayon ang sinusu ni Mr. Singh. He claims that there was a malicious prosecution, there was negligent investigation, ibig sabihin hindi masyadong nakapag-imbestiga ng maayos, and charter rights violation. Okay? So imagine niyo, na-accuse siya, na free, or napawalang sala, tapos ngayon si Canada naman ang sinusu niya. Okay? Pero ano ba talaga ang real talk natin sa bagay-bagay na to? This case has two important things. Canada system is fair but not perfect. Okay? Even if guilty ka, if the government messes up, the court can stop everything. And that's the rule of law. Okay? And this is scary too, kasi what if legit cases collapse? Paano pala kung tama naman talaga yung sentence sa kanya? 'Di ba? And what if fraudsters escape? Kumbaga, sa dinami-dami ng fraud, since na guilty nga siya, big sabihin most probably there's enough evidence to prove that he is guilty. Pero since napalaya nga siya, ibig sabihin, hindi niya mapagdudusahan yung mali na ginawa niya sa system. 'Di ba? But still, if you can see, justice fails on both sides. Okay? So what do you think about this, guys? Is this a system failure or proof that Canada protect the rights even for the guilty? So ano masasabi niyo diyan? I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want more real updates or real immigration updates in Canada, don't forget to like and subscribe into my channel and click on the bell notification and share this video. Okay? Para dun sa mga taong gumagawa ng mga kababalaghan. So, wag nyo na po silang gayahin, parang awa nyo na. Okay? Kasi, if you may notice, the reason why the Canada is tightening its borders kasi sa mga taong ganito, sa mga taong nananamantala ng system. Okay? Yung mga taong nagtatrabaho ng maayos, yung honest naman, sila yung most na naaapektuhan. Okay? Well, again, thank you so much for watching. At laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Until next time. Bye-bye.